Okay. In today's session, we are going to see how to hire an employee in our own custom legal employer, which we have created. One company called Applegate Forms LLC. This is the one we have created. So we have attached this legislative data group also, right? Manage legal entity HCM information. Here we have attached the legislative data group also. So legal entity HCM information, this was enabled for Redwood. I think some of the pages is not working. Just we want to revert it back to the classic UI. Okay. So here when we go to payroll statutory unit, we have associated the legislative data group, Hormel Foods US LDG. Okay. So we have created like a legal employer called Applegate Forms. Okay. So we have associated legislative data group to this particular legal employer called Applegate Forms. Okay. And then what we need to do is we need to convert this legal Applegate Forms into legal reporting unit also. So what is the name of this legal reporting unit? The name of the legal reporting unit is also Applegate Forms LLC. Okay. So mainly it will be used for reporting purpose. Legal reporting unit is mainly for reporting purpose. Okay. And legal reporting unit HCM information. See here. So it should be, in order to hire an employee and run the payroll, it should be a tax reporting unit. Okay. It should be a tax reporting unit and reporting establishment. Okay. So Applegate Forms LLC is a tax reporting unit and reporting establishment. Okay. So actually this we have created in the last time. So again, I want to create a new legal entity. Okay. From the beginning, and we will do it again. We'll quickly do from the beginning. So now I want to create one thing called as Brook Marketing Corporation. So this is one legal entity. Okay. So Harinath, are you able to follow? Ram Patel, are you able to follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So quickly, I'm going to create a new thing, new legal entity, and I want to convert it to a legal employer. I want to convert it into a legal reporting unit, reporting establishment, tax reporting unit, everything. Okay. And I want to hire an employee in this one. Okay. Brook Marketing Corporation. This is one of the legal entity under Hormel Foods. So from the beginning, I am going to do today. We will go step by step. So there is no rush. We will go step by step, and we will hire a particular employee in our custom legal employer. Okay. What is the name of the legal entity we are going to hire? Brook Marketing Corporation. Okay. So in order to create a new legal entity, I want to create a legal address. Okay. So what is the name of the Brook Marketing Corporation? I'm calling it as BMC. So BMC headquarters. Just I'm giving. So I have created one legal address. What is the name of the legal address? Brook Marketing Headquarters, BMC Headquarters. Now I'm going to create a legal entity here. Okay. I want to create a new one. Click on plus symbol, BMC. Let us say it's going to be a payroll statutory unit, and it's going to be a legal employer. What is the difference between legal entity and legal employer? So legal employer hire an employee to perform any kind of work, and it is going to pay the salary. So it's going to be payroll statutory unit. What is the legal address we have created for this legal entity? So BMC headquarters. So place of registration, Redwood City. Okay. BMC LRU 694. These details will be given by our client. Just give some details here. Okay. So this we already know how to create a legal entity and convert that into a legal employer. Okay. So 1/1/1951. This is the start date of the legal entity. Save and close. Okay. So step 1 completed, right? Okay. So what is the step 2 here? What is the step 2 here? So I'm going to scope that one here. Brook Marketing Corporation. Okay, I'm going to scope this one. And so this is, I have scoped this particular one for our further downstream activities. Okay, here I have created a legal address. I have created a legal entity. So now I'm going to create a legal entity HCM information. So in this legal entity HCM information, what I'm going to associate here, Ram Patel? What I need to associate? So if it is a payroll statutory unit, what I need to associate here? Ram Patel, are you there?
Legislative data group, sir.
Very good. So we need to associate the legislative data group. Okay. We need to associate the legislative data group. So for that, we need to create a new legislative data group. What is that one? I'm going to create a new legislative data group for BMC, Brook Marketing Corporation, LDG.
And
What is the
country?
name of the country?
United States.
United States. So cost allocation structure. What is the cost allocation structure we need to select here?
Healthcare US. No, sir. US cost.
So US cost flex instance. This
Flex
will be
instant.
created by the financial consultant. Okay. Now click on submit button. Okay. So I have created BMC
Legislative data group.
legislative data group. So I have created
Yes.
a BMC legislative data group. So what I need to do here now? What we need to do here? We need to associate the legislative data group to the legal entity.
Legal entity.
Okay, go to, for what is the task we need to use? Manage legal entity
Organization.
HCM information. So we came to this task called manage legal entity HCM information. Okay, and we have selected that legal entity, legal employer called Brook Marketing Corporation. As we have selected that is a payroll statutory unit also. We need to select the payroll statutory unit. Now we need to click on here and correct and associate the LDG. Okay, so we are done with the basic structure. Now what we need to do? We need to associate, we need to convert that payroll statutory unit into tax reporting unit also. So because as we are running payroll for the employees, we need to collect the taxes from all the employees and we need to pay the taxes which we have collected from the employees to the country. So suppose if it is federal government, we have to pay the taxes to the federal government actually. Okay. In order to do this one, this particular Brook Marketing Corporation should become a tax reporting unit also. Suppose even in India also, suppose in your company, in the time of right now, March or February, they will deduct a lot of taxes from your salary and they will pay the taxes to the government, that is Indian government, central government, and they will provide you a Form 16. So again, we need to submit the IT returns, and if you have to get any kind of taxes with what you call tax returns, you can take the amount back, or you have to pay anything, any extra income you are having, you have to pay the remaining taxes also, and you have to file the taxes, and you have to get the tax returns, IT returns. Okay, so everybody have a proper understanding of this one, right? What is tax reporting? So in the US also same thing, companies, the legal employers will act as tax reporting unit if it is a payroll statutory unit, and they will deduct the taxes from the employees and they will pay the taxes to the federal government. Okay, so in order to do that, it should be a tax reporting unit also. Okay, I want to convert this legal employer as a legal reporting unit and tax reporting unit as well. So I'm selecting the same thing only. Okay. So what is the name of the legal reporting unit? Brook Marketing Corporation. Okay. So I've taken the same legal employer as legal reporting unit also. The name of the legal reporting unit is also Brook Marketing Corporation. Let us take, if you want to change LRU, you can give it as legal reporting unit. Okay. Brook Marketing Corporation legal reporting unit. Okay. It's a main legal reporting unit. Now click on save and close. So now I'm going to select that legal reporting unit here. So what is the name of the legal reporting unit we have created? A Brook Marketing Corporation legal reporting unit. Select that one and save and close. Now it will become the scope. Okay, now it will become the scope. So this is Brook Marketing Corporation legal employer. This is a legal reporting unit. Okay, if you want to change the naming conventions, you can change. We will come back to that one. So we have created Brook Marketing Corporation and I have edited that one. It is not edited properly. So now I'm going to convert this. We need to convert the same legal reporting unit into tax reporting unit and reporting establishment.
The spelling mistake. Brook. BRUK.
Okay, sorry. Okay, as of now, these are not tax reporting units and not reporting establishments. Okay. So we need to convert, in order to hire an employee and run the payroll, so we need to convert that particular legal employer into tax reporting unit as well. Okay. Now select this one. Okay. So Brook Marketing Corporation legal reporting unit. So we need to select these two checkboxes. Okay. While creating legal employer, we have selected payroll statutory unit and legal employer checkboxes. While converting into tax reporting unit, same thing. We need to select these two checkboxes: tax reporting unit and reporting establishment. It's reporting establishment as well. Okay, tax reporting unit and reporting establishment. Okay. Now click on OK button. So we have created legal entity. We have done this one. Okay. So what is that LDG we have created? BMC LDG, right? Status completed. Okay. Step 3. So what we have to do? Need to create legal reporting unit. Okay. I have created this one. And what is the last one we need to create? We need to create tax report. We need to convert that legal reporting unit into tax reporting unit. Convert the legal reporting unit into tax reporting unit and reporting establishment. Okay. So what is a tax reporting unit? The same. LRU has become a tax reporting unit. We just by selecting the check boxes, the same Brook Marketing Corporation LRU has become a tax reporting unit also. Okay. So we have created a legal entity and we have created a legal address and associated the legal address to the legal entity. Okay. And then we have created a LDG and associated the LDG to the legal employer. So we have created a legal reporting unit. Okay. Based for the particular legal entity or legal employer. Okay. And we have converted the legal reporting unit into tax reporting unit and reporting establishment. So these are the 4 prerequisites we need to do before we hire an employee into our custom legal employer. So what is the custom legal employer here? So I'm not changing any details here. Just click on submit button. Okay, so earlier it was not tax reporting unit. It is showing as no and no, right? Earlier this Brook Marketing Corporation LRU, it is showing as tax. It's not showing as tax reporting unit and reporting establishment. So earlier it was no and no, but now we have converted that into as tax reporting unit and reporting establishment. Okay. Now we are going to use this Brook Marketing Corporation to hire our employees. Go to my client groups, hire an employee. Add email address, home address. So I'm going to hire an employee from March 2nd. So what is the legal employer I need to hire here? Ram Patel?
Group market
Yes, Brook Marketing Corporation.
corporation. Fill vacant position.
Okay, just we will take it from one of this one. Charles Napier. Okay, somebody has made some particular field called descriptive flex field here. Okay, social security number. Okay, I'm attaching some phone number here. Your phone. So email address I'm attaching here. Okay, once we give this phone number and home email address, just click on continue. So click on home address, home physical address. Just select any some address here. Okay. Now click on save and close. Click on continue. Okay. So just give some marital status. Okay. Any other information is required, just give it. Otherwise, just leave it. And click on continue. So this is one of the important page, that worker assignment page. Okay. So here we need to select exactly what the work is going to do in this organization. So person type, he is an employee. He is not a contingent worker or contractor. He is an employee. And assignment status is payroll eligible. Okay, job. Let us take, I want to take him as an applications developer. Okay. Okay. So hourly or salary means, hourly means we will pay according to hours, number of hours. Salary means monthly salary. Okay. Click on continue. So I want to associate or I want to assign a manager for this particular person. So what are the different type of managers? So we will be having line manager, matrix manager, and something like that. So just select that one. I'm selecting a line manager for this particular person. Okay. I want to assign Curtis as his manager. Curtis Pitti as his manager. Okay. If you want to attach some other person as a matrix manager or project manager, okay, or resource manager or anything, okay, you can assign like this. Okay. If you want to assign a project manager, I want to assign Mitch Blum as his project manager. Okay. Curtis Fetty is his line manager and Mitch Blum is his project manager. Click on continue. Okay. If he is working on anything on particular contract, we need to give this contract information. Otherwise, we don't have to give this contract information. So same thing. So again, so we have selected our own thing, right? Salary basis. So we have we should have not selected this one because we have to create our own salary base here. So in order to create salary basis, again, it's a complex process. We need to go with the payroll information and a lot of things we need to do. So for time being, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the legislative data group which we have created for this Brook Marketing Corporation. Instead of using our particular LDG, I'm going to use this common LDG. Now I'm going to create a salary basis. So even if you don't understand, don't worry. Just we are going to discuss again the same thing in payroll. So we have created our own salary basis, that is the BMC annual salary basis, by taking the existing legislative data group, US legislative data group, and I have attached the same legislative data group to our legal entity HCM information. Okay. Save and close. So now I don't want to test all these things. Just I want to take only the salary one and just check that is coming properly or not. If it is coming properly, then we will do the complete hire one more time. Okay. So now are you able to see this BMC annual salary basis which we have created just now? The salary basis earlier we are not able to see any value here. So now we are able to see the BMC annual salary basis. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hire a proper employee in the beginning. So my client groups, hire an employee. Okay, just I want to select the communication information, address. Okay, and then I want to add manager information and then salaries. Okay, payroll details. Okay, and click on continue. I'm selecting here the Brook Marketing Corporation legal employer. So this is a custom. So this is a custom legal employer which we have created, and we have done all these things. So we have created our own salary basis also. Okay. If you select the position directly, automatically it will select all those values. So we will select, let us take, I want to select as a director of recruitment. I'm selecting as a position. Okay. Just I want to refresh one more time this one. Okay. John Carlson. Title, gender, male, date of birth is giving 1/1/1994. Okay. National identifier. Someone made this as a mandatory field. National identifier, social security number, issue date. Okay, just giving that one. Just click on save button. With this, the personal details page completed. Now we are going to communication information page. So just give the phone number details. Okay, click on save. So enter the email address details. Click on save. Click on continue. So add the address, home address. Click on continue. So if you want to override the position, then only we need to change these details here. Otherwise, already it is synchronized from the position. Okay. So you don't have to change anything here. Okay. Now click on continue. So all these details came directly from the particular position. So what we need to change the person type as employee. Somebody has changed the default person type as session worker, but we need to check the default person type to be employee. Select here that salaried. Okay. Now click on continue. So I want to add the manager as line manager. That is fitting. Okay. I want to add the project manager as Mitch Block. Okay, now click on continue. So if there is any contract information up hand, we can give this one. Otherwise, just we can update it later part also. Okay, now I'm selecting the payroll information. Payroll, I want to run the payroll monthly. Okay. And tax reporting unit. So what is the tax reporting unit we have created today? Brook Marketing Corporation LRU, right? We have
Yes.
selected the check boxes and converted this particular Brook Marketing LRU into tax reporting unit, right? So we have to select that one. So Brook Marketing Corporation is going to be the tax reporting unit for this particular employee. Okay. Now click on continue. So select the salary basis. So what is the salary basis we have created? Brook Marketing Corporation annual salary basis. So this we have created, right? So Brook Marketing Corporation annual salary basis we have created today. Okay. And how much we are going to give the salary? Let us take, I want to give $1,72,000 per annum. Okay. This is a proposed salary. So 1,72,000. So now I'm going to click on submit button. So I have filled all the information 10 out of 10 pages. Okay. I filled all the information to hire an employee in 10 out of 10 pages. But I'm going to click on submit button. And before clicking on submit button, when I'm going to do the salary review, so when is the next salary review is, suppose I'm hiring on March 2nd this month. So next year, so March 1st is the next salary review date. So after 1 year, I'm going to review the salary for this newly hired employee. So I'm selecting the next salary review date also. And now I'm clicking on submit button. So it will take some time and it will hire an employee. Okay, it has hired an employee. So where we need to go and where employee is created or not, we need to go to person spotlight. So what is the name of the employee we have hired? John Carlson. So we have hired the employee called John Carlson. So business title, Director of Recruitment. So this is the phone number we have given. Okay. John Carlson, Director of Recruitment. So this is a particular person only, right? And if you want to see more information regarding his employment, so where we need to go? We need to click on public information. So we need to click on the employment summary and go to employment information tab. So this is the name of the legal employer where he is working. So under Hormel Foods Enterprise, which legal employer he is working right now? Brook Marketing Corporation, legal employer. What is the work location? Redwood City. Okay, what is the person number? This is the person number. And business unit, US1 business unit. What is his job? Director of Recruitment. And business title is also same. Okay, and department comes under human resources. Okay, we have not given any contract information. Okay, by default it has taken a contract number and when it was started. Okay, when it is going to start. And who is his managers? We have given the managers, right? So Curtis Fitty is his line manager and Mitch Blum is his project manager. And what is the salary we have given? What is the salary we have given? 1,72,000 US dollars. So 1,72,000 US dollars is his annual salary. And when is his next salary review date? Next salary review date we have given as March 1st, 2027. And what is the salary basis? We have created the salary basis today. So BMC annual salary basis. Okay. So everybody understood today how we have gone step by step from the beginning, from the scratch we have started today. And we have hired an employee in our custom legal employer called Brook Marketing Corporation. And we have assigned salary for the particular employee also. So everybody understood the concept. We have done everything in Redwood. So that is a good thing. So everything we have done in Redwood and application is also working as expected. So everybody understood how to create this, all this step 1, step 2, step 3, and how to create a salary basis also. So you have to practice one more time, or minimum you have to practice 5 times and hire 5 employees tomorrow. You create your own legal employers. Okay, you create your own legal employer and associate that one. So here instead of creating a BMC LDG, I have associated same US legislative data group. Because if I have to create new LDG, I have to create from the scratch at the payroll level. So instead of doing that one, I have associated US legislative data group. So once we are going with the payroll, then I'll show how to create our own legislative data group, and in that how to create a basic salary element, and with the help of salary element, how to create a salary basis. At that time we will see. But right now we have utilized the existing legislative data group. So everybody understood this one, and how to verify all that information which are given in our employment information table, employment information page. Okay. Okay, team. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, we are good to go today. Harinath, have you understood how to do this in Redwood?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. Okay, team. Thanks for your time and good night.
Thank you, sir.